Hi guys, River Ree again. Pinkham again, mainly because it's middle of the day. It's hot, it's bright, the river's low. I could be in with a good chance. There's someone already fishing. I've just spoken to him. He's had 4, but I assume he's been here since like midday or so. I've just come down to the very bottom of the stretch and I've already seen like 5 fish rise, 3 of them quite aggressively. But before I start, a few people have been asking what I use and equipment and whatever, so I thought I'd give you a quick rundown. So this is my dry flow rod. It's a Shakespeare Agility Rise 8 foot number 4. Cheap Shakespeare reel, probably like 30 quid. Weight for, no, this is a double tapered number 3 line. And as you can see at the end of the rod there is pretty much where, oh no, actually it's down here. So there's where my tapered lead is attached to the fly line by a nail nut. Tapered lead is 9 foot long, and then on the end of that I've got 3 pound hardy copolymer, which seems to do the trick. And then today I'll be using the same as I've been using the past few sessions, which is this little upwing Adams cross that I made. Seems to be doing the trick. I've had all of my fish on the dry on this fly in the past 2 weeks. And then as backup, just in case they decide to stop rising or anything like that, I've got my River and Stream 8'6" number 4. Yeah, 8'6" number 4. Orvis, don't know which reel, but you can see I haven't got fly line on there. It's just I think it's £20 backing, something like that, to which I've tied like, I don't know, 30-40 metres of, I think it's £15 just monofilament, and that comes all the way down to this tricoloured sighter. It's got 2 tippet rings, well, a tippet ring on each end. So tie one end to the monofilament, and then on the other end I've got my tippet material, which obviously I'm using weighted nymphs on this one. So I'm using it's Fulling Mill fluorocarbon. We've got the main section here. It's only short because the river's obviously very shallow, so it's probably, I don't know, 12 inches of £5. Then on the end of the 12 inches I've got a couple of inches of £3 and my point fly, and then just a little bit further up on a dropper I've got another, I don't know, 4 inches, 5 inches or so of the £3, and then a little Perdigan nymph on. And then if the fish stop rising in this bit here, which is like the calm flat bit, then I can fish the faster turbulent water at the bottom of the weir pools with the heavy nymphs, and at least then I should still catch some fish. So yeah, I'm going to give it 5 minutes. You can see the fish, they're going mad down here, and that's why I came here, because it's shaded and it's calm. The issue with that though is if you get in the water you create a lot of disturbance and you can spook the fish really easily. I'm noticing there's still a few mayfly popping up and down. I don't think we're going to have a proper mayfly hatch this year because this river flooded in winter and it was like 8 foot deep, whereas at the minute it's like 8 inches deep, if that. So yeah, it's properly done some damage. But yeah, I'm going to sit and see where these fish are, see how deep I need to get into the water, and see how we get on. There we go. Little diddler. fish is welcome on a day like today though. Wow, he's inhaled that. Yeah. Actually, if I hold him out there, you can see his colours better. Oh, there he goes. Oh no. Must catch a decent fish. Just keep still. I need some new forceps. F***ing things. Can't believe I got that. Line was all wrong, the hook set was all wrong, everything was wrong with that. beautiful. That's a nice fish. Oh, that was a fish. It's a good fish. That is a nice fish. Come on. Beautiful fish. Oh no. Oh. Oh no.